In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sitelink extensions in Google Ads. This is a great way to enhance your ads by adding more clickable links that can drive more traffic to specific pages on your website. So, let's get started. First, we're heading over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your main hub for managing all your advertising campaigns and is the perfect starting point for setting up Sitelink extensions. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home, where you should see an overview of your campaigns and account activities. From there, you'll want to navigate to the campaign section. This is where you manage all specifics about each of your advertising campaigns. Click on campaign to open the menu, which will display all the campaigns you are currently running. This step is crucial because Sitelink extensions are applied at the campaign level, so you need to select the right campaign you'd like to enhance with additional links. Next, within your selected campaign, you'll need to click on the Assets tab. This section houses all kinds of creative assets you might use in your ads, including images, videos, and of course, extensions like site links. By clicking here, you are accessing the controls for all assets associated with your campaign, making it easy to add or manage any existing extensions. With the Assets menu open, our next stop is the Site Link section. Click on Site Link and this will take you to a page dedicated to managing your Site Link extensions. It's the crucial part where we set up and customize the actual links that will appear beneath your ad's main headline. Once you've selected the site link, you can start adding new site link details. This involves specifying the link text and the corresponding URL. Keep in mind that each site link should lead to a distinct and relevant page on your website, offering users valuable navigation options. Well-crafted site links not only improve the visibility of your ads, but can also significantly enhance user experience by directing potential customers to the information they might be seeking. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on setting up site link extensions in Google Ads. By the end of this process, you'll have a set of neatly added links that could greatly boost the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Remember that site links should always be relevant and enticing to your audience, and don't hesitate to test different variations to see which works best. Happy advertising!